Looking for ways to earn extra income? Perhaps you're saving for a big trip, paying down debt, or simply wanting to increase your financial cushion. The good news is, in today's digital age, opportunities to make extra money are abundant. Consider these top side hustles that can help you achieve your financial goals. 1. Freelancing. This is a broad field that can encompass anything from writing and graphic design to social media management and programming. With websites like Upwork and Fiverr, it's easier than ever to find clients who need your skills. 2. Selling products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, there's a market out there. Platforms like Etsy and eBay make it simple to set up shop and start selling. 3. Tutoring or teaching online. If you have a particular skill or knowledge, share it with the world. Websites like VIP Kid and Chegg Tutors connect educators with students across the globe. 4. Ride-sharing or delivery services. If you have a reliable car and some spare time, companies like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash offer opportunities to earn money on your own schedule. 5. Pet sitting or dog walking. For animal lovers, sites like Rover provide a platform to connect with pet owners in need of your services. 6. Renting out your space. If you have an extra room or property, consider listing it on Airbnb. It's a great way to earn passive income. 7. Stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to sell your images. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is selecting something that aligns with your interests and skills. Freelancing allows you to utilize your professional skills. Selling products online taps into your creativity. Tutoring or teaching online leverages your expertise. Ride-sharing or delivery services make use of your vehicle and free time. Pet sitting or dog walking is perfect for animal enthusiasts. Renting out your space capitalizes on your property, and stock photography can turn a hobby into profit. These are but a few examples of side hustles you can start today. So, take the plunge and unlock the potential of your free time and skills to boost your income. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and this could be your first step towards financial independence.